Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Daniel, and today I'm going to show you how I was able to quickly solve a sticky throttle situation on my Dodge Durango. This is a 2020 and it seems to be a pretty common problem, so hopefully this helps you out. I originally thought that the TPS sensor was the cause of this issue, that is the throttle position sensor, but it is in fact not the problem, thankfully, and here I'm going to show you what is going on. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and hop in here and show you what is going on. The vehicle does not have to be on to run this quick test. What you'll want to do is you'll check the placement of your floor mat, and if your pedal will stick all the way down as it is here, you can see here that the pedal did not come back up off the floor. It is actually lodged underneath the floor mat since the floor mat has been able to shift forward. This is happening because when the dealer installed these floor mats right before we drove off the lot, they did not take the extra time to actually remove the carpet under the floor mat and have these pins line up like they're supposed to. So this mat is able to slide around. So if you are having this same issue, I would remove your carpeted mat underneath your weather mat and then make sure that the slots here line up on top so that the weather mat can no longer slide forward. I hope that you have found this video helpful, and I also hope that this is your issue so you're not spending unnecessary time or money trying to fix this problem. When this problem originally occurred, I was more than 1,000 miles away from home, so I'm glad that we all made it home safely. When the dealer installed these floor mats, I wish they would have taken the extra couple minutes it would have taken them to actually line up the slots to prevent this issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to like and subscribe for future videos.